Hey guys, it's Zoe and I'm going to be filming another makeup tutorial, and this time I'm going to be doing a golden goddess look for the summer. I'm so excited for summer. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. First of all, we're going to be doing a coffee break. Anyways, now we're going to be using the Rimmel Primer, and I'm going to mix that with L'Oreal Lumi just to make it a little more glowy. Now I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and priming my eyelids. Next, I'm taking my Airspun powder. Next, I'm just taking the color Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just going to be applying that to my lid. Next, I'm mixing the colors Jacks and Buns and just applying that to the crease. Just to darken up the crease a little bit, I'm going to be mixing together the colors Chip and Soda Pop. Next, I'm applying my setting spray to a flat brush, and I'm going to be taking the colors Queen and Meeks, and I'm mixing those together and applying that to the lid. Now I'm just wiping away the excess. I'm now mixing together my Maybelline and Milani foundation and just starting that all over the face. Okay, once all that's blended in, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just going to be applying that underneath the eyes. Next, I'm just going back in with my Airspun powder, and I'm going to bake the face, girl. First, going to contour with the NYX contouring palette. I'm now going to be dusting off the powder. Now I'm going to be bronzing with my NYX bronzer. It's my favorite bronzer. I love it so much. Now I'm just going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in the shade Amber Rush. And I'm just going to be applying that to the lid to make it even more gold. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to be taking my blush, and I think it's Wet n Wild. I'll have to check, but yeah, it's kind of cracked, so whoops. Now it's time for highlight, my favorite part. So now we're going to be taking the Anastasia palette. Since this is a golden goddessy summer look, I'm going to be making this as gold as possible. So I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible shadow mixed with those. Now I'm just going to be contouring the nose. On to the lips. So I'm going to be taking this Milani lip liner. Then I'm going to be taking some Lorac gloss on top of that. I promise I'm not flipping you guys off. That's just the finger I do it with. So now I'm going to be taking my Kiss lashes and applying mascara and another coffee break. Now that the lashes are finally glued on, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner. Now I'm going to be taking the highlights I've used previously and apply those to my inner corner. And that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more.